No matter whether you are a small-scale chocolate producer or seeking to implement an industrial-scale chocolate production facility, there are new technologies that can help you improve your product quality and production efficiency. If you want to stand out in the chocolate making world with modern professionally made chocolates, then you need the necessary equipment to make it happen. Chocolate factory machines. Chocolate machines are fully automated to produce the exact application you need for your chocolate factory. A few examples include: chocolate making equipment includes a variety of machines for all aspects of chocolate making, including enrobing, molding, co-forming and polishing machines, to name a few. You can see many of the types of equipment and machines. A chocolate crunch machine to finely grind chocolate mass. A chocolate ball mill machine to finely mill chocolate mass and add mixture to a required fineness through a process of friction and impact produced between the steel balls and the chocolate material inside a vertical cylinder. A fat melting tank is one of the main machines used in the production of chocolate and is used to melt chocolate mass. A chocolate delivery mass pump is designed to deliver mass chocolate and can be used individually or combined with a production line to provide mass feeding. Chocolate holding tank is designed with automatic temperature control to store finely ground chocolate at a constant temperature. Chocolate mass holding tanks come in sizes from 2 to 10 tons according to your storage requirements. Chocolate tempering machine is designed to give chocolates a shiny gloss, good taste, and longer shelf life by using precise temperature control to cause the molecular crystals in chocolate to maintain a uniform structure. Chocolate packaging machines. Chocolate packaging machines are essential to any producer's operation. The twist wrapping machine for use with the aligner feeder has photo mark tracking and is used for twist wrapping and sealing of chocolate products in single, double, or top twist packaging. The fold wrapping machine wraps flat bottom or ball egg chocolate products with a fold wrap in aluminum foil and comes with an optional labeling device. Chocolate production line. There is a production line that is associated with every chocolate machine that is produced. That is how they are able to generate millions of different pieces of candy on autopilot. Once they have gone through the chocolate machine, the conveyor belt will then take the chocolates to specific locations within the facility. These candies will have already gone through the core forming process and the polishing machines, ensuring that they look delectable and you take them out of the box. Other chocolate machines that are used today. There are so many different types of chocolate machines that are produced. For example, If you are using commercial chocolate equipment, these automated machines will also have a conveyor belt that will lead them to where they will be wrapped. There are also chocolate packaging machines, twist wrapping machines, as well as fold wrapping machines. These are used to seal the chocolate in either paper or aluminum foil. Chocolate bar machines are very common today, used by some of the largest manufacturers of confectionery chocolate that is sold worldwide. They are able to produce millions of chocolate bars, of all different types, and are the main reason that we have so many to choose from. Additional chocolate machines will include the continuous chocolate tempering machine, the chocolate pin production line, and many more. It just depends on the type of chocolate that you would like to produce at your facility, and there are many companies that sell them for very reasonable prices. If you are just getting into this industry, and you would like to know what to buy, you now have a general idea of the different machines that are used. You will need including a chocolate enrobing line, chocolate ball mill, and also a fat melting tank, which is necessary when making chocolate in large quantities. Purchasing an aerator, and also a chocolate holding tank, will be necessary for the largest operations. Once you have everything set up, and you have workers that are trained to manage each component of your system, you will have a streamlined industrial or commercial chocolate factory that can produce as much chocolate as you need. Start doing your research today, and in no time at all, you will have all of the chocolate machines that you need for your business. Dewan Digital Marketing, Painmark, The GMAG, Safe's Blogs.